Did you see your backpack? Do you want to show your backpack?
Show my backpack?
Yeah.
What backpack?
Your backpack to school?
Yeah, Daddy just said it.
Okay, go get it.
Dad just said it.
You want me to come? Yeah, that's your backpack.
What is in it?
What's in it? Nothing.
Okay, hold it.
Let's see your backpack. Hello Kitty backpack. Yay. Oh, you got your headset. Oh, you got your clothes. In case daw maihi, you got your headset and you have your lunch.
In here.
Oh, wow.
Dad!
Dilana's backpack.
Little
There's a food.
Daddy.
Hello
Daddy,
Kitty backpack. Oh, Hello Kitty.
Hey, Kitty.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
A nice backpack. And then, whoa, nice.
Hey, headphone.
And then put your headphone now and then go walk and then put that. And then put that in your backpack.
Okay, baby doll.
So pretend you're going to school now. Bye. Nice backpack. Let me see. Let me see. Nice backpack. Yeah. Oh. Oh, catch it. Hello, Mikay. About 73 banana si Mikay ah.
Ready?
Si Jane ba, Team Amazing si Jane? Bigyan ng jacket yan. Bigyan ba ng jacket si Jane? Yeah, that's a nice backpack, Jelana. I like it. Oy, Maricar, si Jane ba bigyan ng... yes. Okay, sandali.
Go with me in the four-wheeler and get your sisters?
Are you going now? I wanna come.
I'm gonna take the four-wheeler down.
Are you going now?
Side by side, the four-wheeler, yeah.
Oh, so side by side would be
Wanna
nice.
take it side by side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll back them up.
Put them on.
Okay. We'll bring our... Oh. Oh, thank you. Sunduin natin yung kambal. Oo, may jacket na si Jane.
That popcorn.
MJ, ako.
You do this.
Yeah, same as your clothes. Purple phone.
Yeah. What is that, Daddy John?
Yeah, ate, don't give it to me.
That new phone?
No, the case.
Oh.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, I like it now.
Okay, let's...
Okay. We'll wait till Daddy here. We'll wait till Mom here. I like to do this.
Okay. Oh. Nag-back to school na rin ba kayo? Back to school na rin kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Wow. Oh, wow. That's a good idea. Wow. Oh, let's go outside, Gilana. Let's go get the sun. Let's go get some sun. Ayun. Diyos me, pumasok pa ako. Kaka-opera lang. Ayun, pag nawala ako ng signal, babalik din ang signal. Diyan lang kayo. Sunduin natin yung kambal.